Hello everyone, myself Mohammad Imran, belongs to EC department. Today I am going to give a project seminar on real-time application of advanced exam paper leakage detection and alert system with theft protection under the guidance of Srikant sir. Introduction. Exam paper leakage is a major problem of students which leads to cancellation or postponing of exams. This will affect those students who work hard and putting maximum efforts but do not get rank. Moreover, the students who put less efforts will score full marks in less time. This insightful will have a negative effect on students and it will decrease the development of society. In order to perform this project, we reviewed many research papers to identify the problem statement. As a result of literature survey, we made this problem statement to detect the leakage of exam papers based on biometric and GPS tracking system. As an outline of this project, we are identifying authorized person as well as unauthorized person and monitoring the location of person. Now abstract. In the contemporary world, security plays the major role to prevent various assets and thefts. Education is a special part of every human life as it delivers from one age then on to the next. Examination is the heart of the training structure. The main aim of the examination is to pick the qualified applicants for the various positions. We hear the news of postponed or cancellation of exams each year due to question paper spoilage. So to stop this leakage of exam papers, we are proposing an advanced system. This system is designed on the embedded system. The key components of the device are Arduino Mega, solar panel, biometric sensor, GSM module and GPS module. Now existing system. In the existing system there is a controller along with RFID module which requires RFID tags to access, which is a disadvantage as the card can be used by anyone and there is no tracking of person who is actually accessing it. In the proposed system we are overcoming the disadvantage with biometric scanner and GPS module to access a system and to keep a track for the person accessing. Now proposed system. The proposed system is built on fingerprint for the authentication and also uses number locking system. GPS module to provide better security and control over the access. In order to avoid tampering, system uses sensor to monitor and send alert messages automatically. In order to track the system location, it has been implemented with GPS and it sends the location to the control room by using GSM. Furthermore, we are also using solar panel to supply a power for the system. Block diagram. Block diagram consists of microcontroller, GSM module, GPS module, buzzer, IR sensor, lock, keypad, fingerprint module, power supply with solar panel. Hardware and software tools. List of hardware components. Arduino Mega 2560. Arduino Mega seems to be Atmega 2560 based microcontroller module and the specifications of Arduino Mega are operating voltage is 5 volt, 16 pins for analog inputs, 54 digital input output pins, input voltage 7 to 12 volts, 200 milliampere current, 256 KB of flash memory, 8 KB of SRAM, 4 KB of EEPROM, 16 MHz of clock speed, and GSM module. As we know, GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. To establish connectivity between a system and a GSM service, GSM modem will be used. With the help of GSM, we can able to make a call and also we can send SMS. GPS module. As we know, GPS stands for Global Positioning System, through which anybody in the world could always access the position information. GPS module does not require Ethernet, but it always works on the frequency. Biometric sensor. Fingerprint scanner seems to be biometric authentication device. Fingerprint becomes a perfect option for the identification of authorized person and it is generally used for the security purpose. Keypad. A keypad seems to be a group of switches assembled in such a frame or block representing digits, signs or uppercase letters. Solenoid lock. Solenoid lock signifies electronic locking and unlocking for a latch. Solar panel. Solar panel converts sunlight into DC electricity to charge the battery. IR sensor. As we know, IR sensor is a computerized gadget and it can be able to identify the motion. And finally buzzer. Buzzer. An audio communication system is a buzzer or beeper. Software. In this system, Arduino IDE software is used to program the microcontroller. Here, embedded C programming is used. Now, comparison of existing system and proposed system. Existing system. RFID reader and RFID card are used. In the proposed system, fingerprint scanner and number logging system are used. In the existing system, Raspberry Pi microcontroller is used. In the proposed system, Arduino Mega 2560 microcontroller is used. In the existing system, only GSM modem has been used. In the proposed system, GPS as well as GSM modem are used. In the existing system, battery is used. In the proposed system, solar panel is used. This is the review paper publication details. This is a certificate of presentation. Now research paper acceptance letter. This is the acceptance letter of our research paper. Now result analysis. By observing the output, it is clear that the system provides maximum protection to the electronic box of exam papers and avoid from being theft. Now conclusion. By using this biometric authentication technology and GPS tracking system, we can able to decrease the leakage problem of exam papers. In addition, with the help of this technology, we can able to decrease the crime rate at a certain level. Furthermore, this system is helpful and can be implemented in banks, schools, defense industries, offices, and other public sectors for the protection of private documents and avoid from being theft. This system is inexpensive, compact in size, portable, and easily accessible. Now finally, future scope and discussion. Presently, as manual system is being used for the exam sheets, in future the system can be built upon web services where fingerprint scanner, GPS and GSM can be integrated with the computer to access the exam sheets. In addition, iris scanner can be used to detect the eye of the authorized person, which provides more security. Furthermore, face recognition technology can also be used to detect the face of authorized person as well as unauthorized person for more security. Thank you.